Welcome to our video on manifestation techniques for beginners. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics of manifestation and show you how to start attracting your dream life using the law of attraction. What is manifestation? Manifestation is the process of turning your thoughts and desires into reality. It's a powerful practice that allows you to create your reality using your mind's power. The law of attraction is at the heart of manifestation, which states that like attracts like. In other words, the energy you put out into the universe is what you'll receive back. By focusing your thoughts and emotions on what you want to manifest, you can attract it into your life. The law of attraction. The law of attraction is a universal principle that governs the energy in the universe. It states that whatever you focus your thoughts and emotions on, you'll attract into your life. This means that if you're constantly thinking about negative things, you'll attract more negativity into your life. On the other hand, if you focus on positive thoughts and emotions, you'll attract positive experiences and outcomes. Setting your intentions to manifest your desires, you must set clear intentions. This means knowing exactly what you want and focusing your thoughts and emotions on it. You can start by creating a list of your goals and desires and then visualizing yourself already having them. This helps to create a strong emotional connection to your desires, which is essential for manifestation. Visualization techniques. Visualization is a powerful manifestation technique that creates vivid mental images of your desired outcomes. By visualizing your goals and desires, you're sending a clear message to the universe about what you want to attract into your life. You can use various visualization techniques, including vision boards, guided meditations, and mental rehearsals. Affirmations are positive statements you repeat to reinforce positive beliefs and emotions. By repeating affirmations regularly, you can train your subconscious mind to believe your desires are already a reality. This helps to eliminate any limiting beliefs or doubts that may be holding you back from manifesting your dreams. Gratitude is an essential part of manifestation. By expressing gratitude for what you already have, you're sending a positive message to the universe and attracting more abundance and positivity into your life. You can start a gratitude journal, express gratitude in your daily life, or use other gratitude practices to cultivate a positive mindset. Congratulations! You've just learned the basics of manifestation and how to start attracting your dream life using the law of attraction. By applying these techniques in your daily life, you can create a powerful positive energy that will help you attract the things you want most. Remember, manifestation is a process that takes practice and patience, but with persistence and belief in yourself, you can achieve anything you desire. Thank you for watching our video on manifestation techniques for beginners. We hope it has provided you with valuable insights and practical tips to help you on your journey toward manifesting your dreams. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content like this. Until next time, keep manifesting and living your best life.